Hello guys, today I do have the OPPO Reno 15 and I'm going to tell you how to use the AI eraser to remove any object from any photo you have taken. So the first thing you have to remember is to make sure that you are connected to the internet. It's because here AI works like this, that you have to connect to the OPPO servers to connect to the OPPO's AI in their place, and you need to be connected to the internet. Without the internet you won't have the possibility to use AI. This is not like Apple Intelligence that it works on the base device itself. Your Apple needs to be connected to the internet. Once you have done that, you need to tap here, Photos. Here, now, wait a moment. I don't know why I need to back up my photos. I don't want to do that. Here, as you can see, you need to just select any photo that you want to edit. Let it be, for example, this photo of my case of the headphones, and here some flower. To erase any object, you need to tap at first this pen icon at the bottom of your screen and tap here AI Editor. Once you're here, you need to tap here AI Eraser. Here, now you need to tap Agree and Continue. As you can see, I have my no network connection. So you need to be connected to the internet. You have to remember that. Tap AI Eraser when you are connected to the internet and tap Download and update your plugin. Now tap Got it, because it's downloaded now, and here tap AI Eraser back again. Tap OK, and now here, as you can see, we have three options. Smart Lasso, you need to just select your item on the screen. As you can see, it didn't work here. I don't know why. Maybe it's because my lasso performance was poor. Now, as you can see, it's recognized, and now it's being removed from the image. It looks like this, so it's not maybe great, but it's always better than nothing. Apart from that, here they have something called Remove People. It's for the crowded areas, actually. Like, for example, if you're in some city, or for example, and you want to take a photo of yourself, but in the background you have a lot of people, tap this button and all your people in the background will be removed. Apart from that, here they have something called Paint Over, and we can just paint the place where we want to, instead of lasso where we want to just delete the object. As I can see, it works a little bit worse, as I could say. And it's because here, as you can see, we do have this green something, and it's removing everything that I mark, no matter what it is. So yeah, if we discard our changes, we can see that it looks exactly like it did earlier. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on our video. Goodbye.